All right, are you looking to get a new exhaust for your HELLCAT and you don't know what to get? There's like hundreds of choices. Well, I'm gonna put you on two of the best exhausts for the HELLCATs and what I think is the best one. Check it out. Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Big Red. I'm back with another video today, man. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the best exhaust for the HELLCAT motor. Don't really matter what model it is. They're all going to sound very similar, whether you're in a Durango, Trackhawk, Charger, Challenger, etc. So, two of the most popular choices and best choices, in my opinion, is the Borla Atak and the Corsa Extreme. So in this video, we're going to be going over pretty much all the sounds from cold start, downshifting, the whole nine. And I'm going to give you my opinion on which I think is the best option. All right, so here we've got the Charger. And on the Charger, I have the Borla Atak. The Borla Atak does not come with tips. You have to buy your own tips. So on these, I recommend the CARVEN. CARVEN's a really good brand. 5-inch tip. I think they look really aggressive. They look good on the car. All right, so just a little bit about the Borla Atak that I do have on the Charger here. As you can see, directly from Borla, you're going to be paying about $1,942. So with shipping, you're going to be paying around $2,000 plus. Does not come with tips, like I mentioned before. It's stainless steel, made in the US. They have a 1,000,000-mile warranty on it, and they claim there's no drone. This is the loudest Borla exhaust that they do make. Just a little bit of info about the Borla Atak. Now let's get into some rolling sound of what it sounds like. All right, so moving on to the Corsa Extreme. As you can see here, you're going to pay a little bit more. You're going to be looking at closer to $2,200 before shipping. It is also stainless steel. They offer a lifetime warranty, and they do come with tips. So, uh, you know, I think that it also looks equally as good. I kind of like the tips. They're 4.5-inch tips, not 5-inch tips, but they look so good that it really doesn't matter. But here's some sound on the Corsa Extreme. All right, so for me personally, for the price, they're both priced very similar. They both have a similar design. Um, if you like, a cleaner sound, if you like not to always be super loud, the Borla Atak is really good. I consider that like more clean. It's more like elegant, you know what I'm saying? Like it's more polite, you know what I'm saying? Like you gotta really get into it. I will say though, with the charger that has the Borla Attack on it, I don't have a tune or anything. It's straight stock with the exhaust and the leg maker. So I don't know, maybe with the tune it would be a little more aggressive. With the Durango, on the other hand, that has the Corsa Extreme on it, it's very loud, very aggressive, kind of choppy, kind of gives it like a cam sound a little bit. But my Durango is not stock, it is tuned. So I don't know if that has anything to do with the sound as well, maybe a little bit. But for me personally, for the money, ever since I put the Corsa on the Durango, I've been driving the Durango more. I like the loudness. I like the aggressiveness. Um, I just like the I just like the sound of it. I mean, the downshift, everything about it, I kind of like better than the Borla. I do like the Borla. If I can go back, I would probably put the Corsa on it. Not that it's a bad option. It just really comes down to your preference. So me personally, I like the Corsa Extreme better out of the two. Both very popular, but there's other good options out there. But these pretty much were the top two choices when I was looking in your exact same position when you were searching. What am I going to get? You know, you're looking for all these videos on it, and the videos were kind of limited when I looked. So I wanted to put this out there to kind of help you guys figure out what it is that you want. And with these two, they're very high end, some of the best that you can get. I would go with the Corsa Extreme if you want that loud growl at all times. If you want to be a little more incognito, um, get the Borla Atak. Both are great options. Both are better than stock. So I just leaned a little bit more towards the Corsa. But I hope that this helped somebody out. If it did, please feel free to share, subscribe, and like. It all helps me and my channel grow. And as always, man, y'all be blessed and have a great day.